AI plays a growing and transformative role in wildlife conservation across several domains. Here's an overview of how AI contributes, with real-world examples and technologies. Wildlife monitoring and species identification. AI helps monitor animals in their natural habitats, using data from camera traps, drones, audio sensors, and satellite imagery. Camera trap image analysis. AI models can process millions of images to identify species, count individuals, and monitor behavior. Example: Google's Wildlife Insights uses AI to analyze camera trap images and identify over 700 species. Acoustic monitoring. Machine learning identifies animal calls from audio data, useful for monitoring elusive or nocturnal species. Example: AI is used to track endangered North Atlantic right whales by detecting their calls in ocean recordings. Anti-poaching and real-time surveillance. AI helps predict and prevent poaching by analyzing spatial patterns and providing predictive policing tools. Smart patrolling. AI models analyze poaching patterns and suggest patrol routes. Example: Paws Protection Assistant for wildlife security uses machine learning to optimize ranger patrols. In African parks, drone surveillance. AI-powered drones detect illegal activities and alert rangers. In real time, habitat mapping and land use monitoring. AI analyzes satellite and drone imagery to assess habitat quality, detect deforestation, and track environmental changes. Remote sensing. Machine learning models classify vegetation types, detect land cover changes, and assess biodiversity health. Example: Microsoft's AI for Earth supports projects that use AI to monitor forests, reefs, and wetlands. Genetic and ecological research. AI is applied to analyze large datasets in conservation genomics and ecological modeling. Species distribution models. SDMIS. AI predicts where species may live now and in future climates. Genomic data analysis. Machine learning helps detect genetic bottlenecks, hybridization, and inbreeding in endangered species. Citizen science and public engagement. AI tools support platforms where the public helps in data collection and analysis. Apps like iNaturalist use AI to identify species from user-uploaded photos and contribute to global biodiversity databases. Automated feedback. AI gives real-time suggestions to users, improving engagement and data quality. Benefits of AI in wildlife conservation. Faster data processing and decision-making. Increased scale and reach of monitoring efforts. Reduced labor and cost in data collection. Early detection of threats like disease, habitat loss, and poaching. Challenges and ethical considerations. Data bias and lack of labeled training. Data technological access gaps in low-income conservation areas. Privacy concerns. For example, drone use around communities, ensuring that AI augments human efforts rather than replacing essential local knowledge.